G'day guys. So I just slipped under there, and undid some torque converter bolts, and I thought I'd just have a few moments chat. So this is a GS 430. These are early torque converter bolts, and these are the later ones. And you'll see that there's shinies and there's dark. And I've done the same thing with the later ones here, shinies, and there's a dark one. Now, a few things about these. So early ones have got a washer, spring washer. You see that one's got a 10 on it, and then this one's got a 9 on it. And there's a difference just in here. So there's 5 of these shiny ones, and one of them, we get it focused here, it's got that little shank on it where it goes into the flex plate. And they're metric 9. And then these ones, they've done the same thing. They're still 9mm, and we've got the flared head instead of the spring washer. And again, 6, no, there's 5 without the shank, and 1 with the shank. See, there we go. So when you're doing torque converters, got to be the right ones. They're not M8s, they're M9s. Oh. 5 shinies and 1 with the shank to line it up. You can get away. I often put all of them with the shank because I've got them brand new. It's one of the bits that people lose a lot of, and then people say, just whip down to the normal hardware store, and most hardware stores don't have a M9 bolt. So, hey, hope that's been helpful, and we'll talk to you again soon. We'll catch you later.